Hello aspirants, a very warm welcome on this YouTube channel of ANALYST IAS. So already हमने ज्योग्राफी और हिस्ट्री के ब्रिज सीरीज डिस्कस कर लिए हैं. एनवायरमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी का 2015 में हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है. नाउ विल डिस्कसिंग एनवायरमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी questions which came in the year 2016. So total questions today we have are 11 questions. So let's start. Question 1. Which of the following best describe the aim of Green India mission of Government of India, incorporating environmental benefits and cost into union and state budgets, thereby implementing the green accounting, launching the second green revolution to enhance agriculture output so as to ensure food security to one and all in the future, restoring and enhancing forest cover and responding to climate change by a combination of adaptation and mitigation measures. Pause the video, try to think about it. Now let's discuss the answer. So correct answer is C, which is third only. The National Mission for Green India is one of the 8 missions outlined under the National Action Plan on the Climate Change, which is NAPCC. It aims at protecting, restoring and enhancing India's diminishing forest cover and responding to climate change by a combination of adaptation and mitigation measures. It envisages a holistic view of greening and focuses on multiple ecosystem services, especially biodiversity, water, biomass preserving, mangroves, wetlands, critical habitats, इन सबको preserve करना and all, along with carbon sequestration as a co-benefit. So the correct answer is C, which is 3 only. It has nothing to do with the green accounting, and moreover this is a very extreme statement, launching second green revolution, so you can easily eliminate it. Second, what is unique about the Kharai camel, a breed found in India? It is capable of swimming up to 3 kilometers in seawater. It survives by grazing on mangroves. It lives in the wild and cannot be domesticated. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Pause the video, try to think about it. Now let's discuss the answer. So correct answer इसका 1 है और इसका एक alternative भी हम देखेंगे. The Kharai camels found in Kutch region are very unique. They can swim through deep sea waters and it feeds on mangroves and other saline plants. क्योंकि ये कोस्टल एरिया में रहता है तो सी वाटर में आसानी से स्विम कर पाएगा और वहां पे क्या रहेगा, मैनग्रोव रहेगा खाने के लिए, and other saline plants would be there. That is how it will adapt. The breeders have meticulously followed the traditional grazing pattern in the coastal districts. They do not provide special housing or shelter to the camels. Open में herding करते हैं, so yes, it can be domesticated. Third is correct. Sorry, third is not correct. It cannot be domesticated. This is incorrect history. It can be, everything can be domesticated nowadays. So your correct answer is 1 and 2. Question 3. Recently, our scientists have discovered a new and distinct species of banana plant which attains a height of about 11 meters and has orange colored fruit pulp. In which part of India has it been discovered? Andaman Islands, Anamalai forests, Maikal Hills या tropical rainforest of the northeast region of India. Pause the video, try to think about it. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer is A, which is Andaman Islands. Let's see something more about it. So scientists at the Botanical Survey of India have discovered a new species of banana from a remote tropical rainforest on the Little Andaman Island. The species name is Musa Andamanensis, was located about 16 km inside the Krishna Lila forest of the island. Question 4. With reference to an initiative called the Economies of the Ecosystem and Biodiversity, which is TEEB, which of the following statements is correct? It is an initiative hosted by UNEP, IMF, World Economic Forum. It is a global initiative that focuses on drawing attention to economic benefits of biodiversity. It represents an approach that can help decision makers recognize, demonstrate, and capture value of ecosystem diversity. Pause the video, try to think about it. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer to this is C, which is second and third, both. So explanation is the economics of ecosystem and biodiversity is a global initiative which is focused on making nature's value visible. So its principal objective is to mainstream the values of biodiversity and ecosystem services into decision making at all levels. It aims to achieve this goal by following a structured approach to valuation that helps decision makers recognize the wide range of benefits which are provided by the ecosystems and biodiversity, and also demonstrate their values in economic terms where appropriate, capture those value in decision making. So this is what it is. Question 5, with reference to the red sandals, sometimes seen in the news, consider the following statements. It is a tree species found in a part of South India. It is one of the most important trees in the tropical rainforest areas of South India. Which of the statements given are correct? Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer is A, which is one only. रेड सैंडल्स, या इसको लाल चंदन भी कहा जाता है, मूवी पुष्पा में भी इसका जिक्र है. सो योर करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. क्वेश्चन 6, which of the following statements is are correct? Proper design and effective implementation of UN Red Plus program can significantly contribute to protection of biodiversity, resilience of forest ecosystems. Third, poverty reduction. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Pause the video, try to think about it. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer is D, all of the above. It is a collaborative program by Food Agricultural Organization and United Nations Development Program. The overall development goal of the program is to reduce forest emissions and enhance carbon stocks in the forest while contributing to national sustainable development. So your correct answer is 1, 2, 3, all. Collaborative approach. Question 7, with reference to your Agenda 21, sometimes seen in the news, consider the following statements. It is a global action plan for sustainable development. It originated in World Summit on Sustainable Development held in Johannesburg in 2002. Which of the statements given are correct? Pause the video, try to think about it. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer is A. It is a voluntary plan of the United Nations on sustainable development, and it is a product of the Earth Summit 1992. Your correct answer is 1. Question 8, which of the following statements are correct? Viruses can infect bacteria, fungus, plants. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer is D. They can infect all the living organisms. So your correct answer is D. Question 9, in the cities of our country, which among the following atmospheric gases are normally considered in calculating the value of air quality index? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methane. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Pause the video, try to think about it. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer to this is B, which is 2, 3 and 4. Air quality index takes into account particulate matter 10, PM10, PM2.5, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, ammonia and lead. Then there is National Ambient Air Quality by Ministry of Environment. It categorizes air pollution into 6 categories by considering 8 pollutants. So National Ambient Air Quality 8 pollutants consider करता है, which are PM10 2.5, nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, ammonia, lead, methane, which is CS4. Question 10. In which of the following regions of India are you most likely to come across the Great Indian Hornbill in its natural habitat? Sand deserts of northwest India, high Himalayas of Jammu Kashmir, salt marshes of western Gujarat, or the western Ghats? Pause the video, try to think about it. Now let's see the answer. So generally जो Great Indian Hornbill है ये western Ghats में इन regions में मिलेगी, and it is found in these regions as well, Terai regions and northeast. So your correct answer is western Ghats. Last question of today's session, that recently for the first time in our country, which of the following states have declared a particular butterfly as a state butterfly? It is based on the current affairs of that year. Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, So your correct answer to this is D, which is Maharashtra. The blue mormon is large swallow-tailed butterfly found primarily in the Sri Lanka and India, mainly restricted in the western Ghats of Maharashtra, South India and the coastal belts. Maharashtra has become the first state in the country to have a state butterfly. Later on, Arunachal Pradesh also had it. So this was it. This was all about today's video of the bridge series. Thank you. Have a nice day and stay tuned with the Analyst IAS.